In today's video, we're going to work on a proportion word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says Rose earned a total of $45 by selling 9 cookies. How many cookies does Rose need to sell to earn $100? Assume the relationship is directly proportional. So the first step, and there's a few steps, so stick around for all the steps, set up a proportion. So we know that if we make 9 cookies, we get $45. So we need to figure out how many cookies we have to make to sell $100 worth. So the proportion would look like this. $45 over 9 cookies equals $100 over question mark cookies. Okay, we don't know how many cookies we'd have to make. We're trying to figure that out. So step 2, we want to solve for the question mark. We want to figure out how many cookies we have to make. So let's just say question mark is called C for cookie, okay? So let's call it C. Now let's rewrite the expression and it'll look like this. So now what we've done is we've actually replaced this question mark with a variable, and that's all we've done, okay? So next thing, step 3, since the relationship is directly proportional, then their cross products will be equal. We know that they're directly proportional. It tells us right in the question, right? So because of that, their cross products will be equal. So what does that mean and how does that look? So let's cross multiply this equation now. So we'll cross multiply these two and it'll be 45 times C. And then the next thing we cross multiply is these two. 9 times 100 is going to give us 900. So this is now our equation. We've just kind of rewritten this to look like this. So step 4, isolate C by dividing both sides of the equation by 45. So because C is being multiplied by 45, to undo that, we divide. We divide by 45. So, and remember, when you're dividing by 45, you have to do it to both sides of the equation, okay, to keep it equivalent. So now the 45's cancel out and we're left with C equals 20 because 900 over 45 equals 20. So Rose would need to sell 20 cookies in order to earn $100. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look in the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you will find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.